perch up above. I don't play with them now, but can't give them the shove. They're stuffed too full of love. On the floor, a pair and a half of socks, a bundle of keys without locks, a pair of goggles in a box. It's only a room, but it's my room, my space, my base, my place in the world. It's only a room, but it's my room. Somewhere to go, somewhere to sleep, somewhere to be sent, somewhere to hide, somewhere to cry, somewhere to dress, somewhere to think.